Hello, I'm Dan Passarelli with Market Taker Mentoring, and today one of the trades that we discussed in our Market Taker Live Advantage Group Coaching class is Apollo Group, symbol APOL. Apollo Group has been trading in a pretty tight range since October. When you see a range-bound stock like that, the first thing that comes to mind for me is an income trade. So I started looking at credit spreads, credit put spreads, credit call spreads, maybe iron condors, maybe butterflies. And what I came across, the trade that I like, is a time spread. Specifically, buying the March 20 calls and at the same time selling the February 20 calls. Now the February expires in just 10 days. This is a very short-term trade. The reason I like the time spread above some of these other income trade choices is because of the volatility skew, the term structure of volatility. Right now, the March is trading at a lower volatility than the February. So if I buy the March calls and I sell the February calls, I'm buying a low volatility and selling a high volatility. Now for those of you who look at implied volatility, that's specifically what I'm talking about, implied volatility, you know that the reason I care about this is because implied volatility is basically a measure of how cheap or expensive options are. So I'm buying one option, I'm selling another option. The one that I'm buying is the cheaper option, the one that I'm selling is the more expensive option. So there's a natural edge in this trade. So I like this trade as long as it stays in a tight range and is trading at around $20 a share at February expiration. I would reach a very good maximum profit. If it's exactly at $20 a share, that's when I reach my absolute maximum profit. But as long as it's close, I would be happy. If the stock rises too much or falls too much, I would look to do an adjustment. What I would do is roll into a double calendar, maybe putting on a new calendar at the 19 strike to create this double calendar effect, or maybe a new calendar at the 20 strike should the stock rise. This is Dan Passarelli with Market Taker Mentoring.